This is activity 3.1 on page 94, using find and replace to edit. The file that we will be working on is fact sheet efficiency. Throughout the fact sheet, you've used BWH as shorthand for building with heart. One of the people who reviewed the document has asked that you spell out the organization name everywhere it appears. You'll use find and replace to locate every instance of BWH and make the change. So number one, open the document for editing. You're going to launch Microsoft Word 2019. You can do that any way that you want to. I have it on my desktop here. I can double click. You can go to your start menu, scroll down. It's located here as well. You can see I also have it pinned to my taskbar. I can open it that way as well. Whatever way you want to open it to launch the program. From our landing page, I'm going to click Open Other Documents. From here, I'm going to click my Browse button. Remember, don't go to the directory where the textbook says, always go to your home drive. I'm going to click on this PC, scroll down and find my home drive and double click. Scroll down to Word Part 1. Then the title of lesson or chapter 3 is called Working More Efficiently. So I'm going to double click to open that subfolder. And again, the file that we want is fact sheet efficiency. Select that and click open. If you get this yellow status bar, just click enable editing. And 1C says to zoom the document to the page width. So I'm going to go up to view, zoom, and select page width. Now you can notice that in these instructions in the beginning, it told us how to get to page width. It would say go to your view tab, and in your zoom group, select page width. Now, since we've already accomplished that, it's cutting down on the instructions that they give us, and it's just telling you to apply the page width command. So it's trying to get you more acclimated to how to use these commands with less detail of instructions. Just wanted to point that out to you. So number 2, it says to search and replace the text. Press Control Home to move the insertion point to the beginning of the document. So just in case it's not already there. And on our Home tab, in the Editing group, we're going to select Replace. And in the Find What text box, we're going to type the acronym BWH. And then in the Replace text box, click in for your cursor, you're going to type Building with Heart. So Microsoft Word is going to look for all instances of this acronym and it's going to replace it with the spelled out version. I'm going to select my More button to expand my dialog box, and this shows additional options for us. We want to match the case, so that's saying make sure you're looking for capitals, replacing with certain capitals. So that's the case of your actual text. We're going to click on our Find Next button. You can see behind my dialog box, I can move this out of the way if need be. It finds the first instance of BWH. We can hit our Replace button and it replaces it with Building with Heart and automatically moves it to the next match. So you can see now, move my dialog box out of the way. It has that next instance of BWH highlighted. So you can click replace through them all if you want to, but it's really unnecessary. You can just replace all at once. I'm going to click that and it tells us all done. We made 6 replacements. So everything has been replaced where it was found for BWH. All right, I'm going to click OK from here. I can close out of my find and replace dialog box. This is the first time that we made changes excuse me, to the fact sheet efficiency document. So remember, we want to make a copy so it doesn't overwrite this initial document. We're going to go to File, Save As, our Working More Efficiently folder, and we just want to update the name to My Fact Sheet Efficiency. Click Save. And we're going to leave this open for our next activity.